Hi guys, welcome back to our segment. I hope you have seen our last video and you've liked it. If you've not yet seen it, go to the highlights and see it right now. Okay, so after the Bhari Bharkam Gyan session of the previous segment, today we are going to do something fun. We're going to make something. Okay, so apart from giving these motivational speeches, I am also very much fond of cooking and that too healthy things. So yeah, today we're going to make a dish. It's called parfait. Parfait. It is a dessert and it's mainly made up of whipped cream and ice cream along with fruits. But as we're making a healthy version of it, today we're going to use Greek yogurt instead of ice cream. And also, if you think that the name parfait is very difficult for you, then you can also call it fruit salad. Okay, that is also fine. So this is a very simple recipe and you can eat it whenever you're craving something sweet and you don't want to consume a lot of calories. You can have it as an evening snack, or also you can have it in the morning for breakfast. So whatever the time suits you. So now let us see what all ingredients do we need. It's very simple. You only require 5 minutes to make it. So let's check out the ingredients. So the first ingredient that we need is muesli. Here today we've used Yoga Bar muesli, and it's dark chocolate cranberry, and there are also other flavors available in Yoga Bar. And trust me, I've tried a lot of mueslis and this is one of the best. You won't even feel that it's healthy, like it's healthy, ganda wala healthy. No, it's extremely tasty and really very healthy. So I prefer Yoga Bar. The other main ingredient that we need is Greek yogurt. We are using Epigamia strawberry. That is my favorite flavor for Epigamia yogurt. It's also available in various other flavors if you want to try. Whatever is your personal favorite. You can also use any other Greek yogurt if you want to use, but my personal favorite is Epigamia. So we're using Epigamia Greek yogurt. Along with that, I have taken fruits: a pear diced, an apple, a raspberry, and for garnishing we have banana. You can take any of the fruit that you like. These are some of my personal favorites, so I've taken them. You can use any fruit. So we'll start with the muesli. In a glass or any container that you like, you first have to make a layer of muesli. So after the layer of muesli, we'll make a layer of yogurt on top of it. So after the layer of yogurt, now we are going to put our fruits inside. Also, if you are not a fan of Greek yogurt, you can also use our very plain simple ghar ka dahi. That is also fine. Okay. So put the apples and now the pears. You can put any seasonal fruit or any fruit of your choice. Even a single fruit is fine. You can also add dry fruits in this if you like, but that will again increase a little bit of calories. So according to your calorie intake, you can decide. Alright, so now we're also done with the layer of fruits. So now after this layer of Isha. So this is me, Sumaya, signing off for this week, and we'll meet next week with something fun and interesting.